Hi tribe. So today we are going to do a 3-ingredient hand sanitizer. So if you're someone that's still looking for sanitizer, I got you. You're going to need aloe vera. You're also going to need alcohol. And you're also going to need a flip top bottle. And just for an extra dose of protection, I'm going to use silver solution. If you don't have it, don't worry. So I already got a head start on the aloe vera gel. So this is about, I don't know, about a fourth of the way full. I'm not going to do any measuring. That's up to you. So yeah, so about a fourth of the way. This is a flip top bottle that I got from Walmart. So pour in. Take your alcohol. Now I am using the wintergreen, so I'm not going to add any essential oils to this at all because this already has enough scent. But if you don't have the wintergreen kind and you have the plain, you can use the essential oils if you want to give it an extra little kick. So I'm going to pour. Now this is mostly going to be alcohol based, so I'm going to fill this up most of the way. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, we got it. Cool. And for my extra protection, Colloidal Silver. A little goes a long way, so I'm only going to get a touch. Only going to use... Yep, that's it. Bomb. If you can see, they're counteracting with each other. It's so cool. So cool! So now, all we do, shake. Bomb. And there you have it. Oh, almost dropped it. And there you have it. Sanitizer. If you wanted a little bit thicker, just add a little bit more aloe vera. That's it.